Hi guys, so it's that time of year again. We're into October now. I've just picked this absolute monster. So I'm going to get behind the camera in a second and take you on a little tour of the allotment. It's gone through quite a bit of change since the last tour, the last little walk around. But it's at that time of year now where everything's dying. It's just a little bit, I was going to say wet, but it's a lovely day today. I've got my shorts on actually. But yeah, everything's just dying. The sunflowers have toppled over. We had a bad storm the other night and they've all been sort of blown over. So I'll just take you on a little journey. I'll not keep you too long. And yeah, let's get going. It's also worth pointing out as well that before I start, we've just had a baby like 3 weeks ago, obviously. So I haven't done anything at all apart from feed the chickens over here. So everything is a bit more messy than I would have probably liked. There's weeds that keep popping up and bits and pieces like that, so just bear with us. So we'll start off here by the leek bed. Leeks are great. They've got a bit of leek rust rather, but that's alright, no problems. Some little spring onions there, we've had a few out of them, but they're there to be picked actually. Yeah, had the potatoes in here, got some broccoli here, or calabrese rather, I always call it broccoli, and my brain's gone. We've got some kale, that's right, kale at the back there. Mainly for the chickens. I try and grow stuff for the chickens just to supplement the diet, just to give them a bit extra on top of their usual food. So not much change in here apart from bloody weeds. The beetroot in here, which I've just picked quite a bit. I've given some to my girlfriend's mum, who's made a load of beetroot chutney, which is nice. We've got a couple of jars there, so that's good. Again, just starting to sort of die off here a little bit now, but still looking okay. The sprouting broccoli is just absolutely gone to pot. It's flowering. Let's get the focus in. There we are. Flowering, and I've missed the boat really, because as I say, I haven't been doing anything just with the baby and things this past 3 weeks. So it should have been picked, but it's one that sort of got away. At least the insects are happy in the bees and stuff, so that's good. So as you can probably see here, I've got some pumpkins. So these are doing really well. Really happy with them. So they should turn for Halloween, turn orange. That one has been that size for absolutely ages. That little one at the back has just popped up. So it'd be nice if that one stays green. I don't think it will, but I like the different colours. Again, weeds, just ignore them. A couple of pumpkins here. Again, and there's the sunflowers. So originally, the sunflowers were there, if you're a regular watcher of the channel. But as I say, there was a massive storm. They got all blown over on the bed at the back there, and I had to pick them up and do something with them, so I've just sort of laid them there, and I'll try and sort of chop the stalk up a little bit and put them in the compost bin. At the back here, raspberries, I haven't had too many of them because it's the first year that I've put the canes in. It's only the first year in this allotment. So they're an autumn variety, sorry, so they'll be getting cut back to ground level shortly, I think. Probably, I don't think there's any raspberries on them actually. And then we'll give them a good feed. I'll get some manure put down and stuff, and hopefully next year they should be a little bit better. In here, got the Brassica Bed, a couple of nice cabbages and some sprout plants, which I had a couple of sprouts off with some garlic and stuff the other day, so that was nice. But again, this is just for the chickens, just to again supplement their diet. Peas used to be in here. Believe it or not, this was just a sort of an impromptu bed that hadn't really been dug, so just put some peas in and got a lot out of them. They're alright, but this needs a proper good seeing to and dig over shortly if I get time. Let's go up the back. And that's the thing, isn't it? I'm sure everyone's the same. It's always time with allotments, and life gets in the way, work and things, and it's just really hard. So that's why it's not perfect, but you know, it's real life in it. So a couple more pumpkins here. So the one I just held up before at the start of the video was from up here, and this one down here is massive as well, and that one's pretty big too. Turnip at the back there to the right, more beetroot, which I don't know why I put more in. It's a bit ridiculous because we've got loads to the left there. And here's a view from the back. Yeah, it's a really nice time of year here. Halloween and stuff, the dark nights, and weather's starting to turn a bit colder, although not today. But yeah, I like this time of year anyway. And I've got the chickens, always happy. There's one of the cabbages hanging up there. And of course, if you're interested in keeping chickens and stuff, I've got lots of videos. If you just look on my channel, loads of videos with the chickens and just sort of allotment life in general really, so feel free to have a little browse. So yeah, I'll leave that one there, just a little quick one. I've got stuff to do, I've got to get back home, which if anyone's interested is over there, second house on the right. So I'm really lucky to live this close. It's really nice. Like, you can see it out the bedroom window as well. Yeah, anyway. Right, I'll leave that one there, sorry. And if you got this far, if you can give it a thumbs up. It's not the most polished of videos, this one. It's just a little quick one just to get the October sort of walk around on YouTube. So yeah, if you can give it a thumbs up, that would be great. And obviously any comments are always nice to read through. Any questions, obviously feel free to ask. And I'll see you in the next video.